Today is a special video. I'm taking you for a behind the scenes tour of my studio. Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Carol, and on this channel we usually talk about how easy it is to make your own jewellery, but we're not doing that today. We are going to be taking a tour of my studio and looking at how I organise these beads so that A, I can use them for making my own jewellery, and B, I can find things when I need to fulfil my orders. For Mother's Day, my family decided to make over my studio for me. It was a lovely idea, and it was supposed to be just a new desk and some new shelving, but it exploded into something amazing, and I wanted to share that with you today. So I'm quite embarrassed to show you the before because I'd been so busy organising the beads, I forgot to organise my own space. So are you ready to take a look at what it looked like before? It's horrible. Just you wait. I'm really embarrassed to show you this. As you can see, it was a huge mess. I had been so busy organising the beads, I had forgotten to organise my own space. So I was using an old dining table for my desk, and there were cables everywhere from where we had introduced technology and hadn't actually organised it. It's pretty horrific, isn't it? On Mother's Day, my family took everything out of the studio and they cleaned it for me. And here's my husband assembling my new desk and my children taking all of the beads out of the room. They work fast, don't they? After assembling the desk, they assembled some new shelves for me, and they loaded in all the beads and they put them in numeric order so I could find everything. This corner over here was always troublesome. I had stuff piled into those wooden drawers that shouldn't have been in the drawers, and in the plastic drawers where I had been meaning to organise the beads, a lot of them, while they were organised, they were kind of not. And we needed more of those plastic drawers, so we introduced a few more. As well, I needed a solution for hanging tiger tail and chain, so my husband made this pegboard for me. We also got some new lighting, which makes it much easier to see what I'm doing. This great little card here was sent to me by my great niece Isabel. She made it for me after she discovered my YouTube channel, and she wanted to send me a little note saying, would I please make her a necklace? Hi Isabel, it's on its way. And here it is, the wonderful after. Isn't it so much better? My beautiful, clean, tidy desk. The tiger tail all on its own little pegs so that I can find it. And the drawers are all numbered, so I know exactly where to find things. Those are my little printers that I use to print out the sticky labels for the products as well as the shipping labels. And my tools are now nice and organised on a pegboard. And of course there's my Cricut machine, which I love, and I use to make all of the sticky labels for the shelves and the drawers. While I try to organise beads into categories, for example glass, acrylic and metal, it doesn't always happen because I have more of some beads than others, and so some beads go in the drawers, but some beads are on the shelves as well. In the middle I store acrylic beads, and on this side metal and other things. Here's the earring findings all tucked away in their nice little jars with their labels. And you can see that each little jar has a little round sticker, and that tells me where it lives so that I always put things back in the right place. So what do you think of my new studio? Isn't it absolutely amazing? It's so tidy, so clean, and it is actually a few months on and I am keeping it clean and tidy. So that is always good. Must mean that the systems are working, right? So tell me, how do you store your beads? Do you use those fishing tackle boxes, or do you store them in little bags? Leave me a comment below and let me know. I store the beads in the plastic drawers in little square containers, and the reason I do that is I can stand them on their side and write their product number on them, and then I can find everything. As you have come to realize, in my studio it is all about finding things quick and easy so that I can fulfill orders. I can put my hand on exactly the product I want when I need to. So it is like living in a giant spreadsheet. I wanted to share my studio makeover with you today because A, I'm so proud of it, and B, I really thought that you might be interested in how we store all these thousands of beads that we have. If you liked the tour, let me know in the comment section below, and also let me know if you'd like to see more of this type of thing. Would you like me to go in depth to some of the products? Just let me know. Thank you so much for watching today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you again soon.